Razer has announced the launch of new Wolverine V2 Chroma, their most advanced controller ever, designed for Xbox Series X, Series S, Xbox One console and PC. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos. The new Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma is the last controller for Xbox and PC player, designed by Razer. It is the evolution of Razer Wolverine V2 controller. Razer has declared that now the new model boosting some of the fastest actuation and response times of any controller on the market, thanks through a combination of Razer ultra-responsive Mecha Tactile switch technology and a stable wired connection. New Razer controller include many other new features: wired detachable USB-C cable, 3.5mm headset connection, Razer Mecha Tactile action button and D-pad for super fast actuation and response times. 6 additional multifunction buttons, 2 top bumpers plus 4 back triggers, interchangeable thumbstick caps, air trigger mode with trigger stop switches, new L-shaped design and fulcrum with full coverage wraparound grip, and as the name tells us, it's equipped with new RGB light strips controllable by Razer Chroma RGB software. Finally, new Razer Wolverine V2 Chroma controller is now available on Razer official site, Razer stores and authorized retailers at the price of $149.99 or €159.99 or £149.99. And you, what do you think? Let me know as always in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful then leave a like, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.